Welcome back to AutoFix Craft. If you're new here, you're probably dealing with some issues with your rack and pinion and looking for answers. Well, we're here to help because today, we're going to share the common signs of a rack and pinion leak. Let's get started. Sign 1, Worn out seals. The seals in the rack and pinion assembly are made to keep the steering fluid inside and stop leaks. Over time, these seals can wear out or break down from normal use. This can happen faster if the steering fluid gets too hot, which makes the seals hard and less flexible, or if dirt or metal particles get into the fluid and damage the seals. When the seals fail, steering fluid can leak out, which can make steering harder and might damage the rack and pinion if it's not fixed. Sign 2, External damage. Damage to the rack housing or pinion can happen if road debris like rocks or other objects hit it or if the vehicle is in an accident. This damage can cause cracks or openings in the housing, letting steering fluid leak out. When the fluid leaks, it lowers the pressure needed for smooth steering, which can make it harder to turn the wheel. Sign 3, Rust and corrosion. Corrosion of metal parts in the rack and pinion assembly can cause problems over time. This happens when moisture, road salt or other contaminants cause the metal to rust and weaken. As the metal corrodes, it can damage the seals that keep the steering fluid from leaking. This is more common in older vehicles or cars driven in areas with snow, salt, or high humidity. Sign 4, Loose connections. If fittings or connections in the power steering system aren't tightened properly or become loose, they can cause steering fluid to leak out. Over time, driving vibrations or incorrect installation can loosen these parts. When the fluid leaks, it lowers the pressure in the system, making steering harder and possibly causing damage to the power steering parts. Sign 5, Excessive system pressure. High pressure within the power steering system, often caused by a malfunctioning pump or a blockage, can put too much stress on the seals. When the pressure gets too high, it can force the seals to crack or break, allowing steering fluid to leak out. This can happen if the pump is not working properly, causing it to push too much fluid, or if there's a blockage somewhere in the system, restricting the flow of fluid. Over time, these leaks can reduce steering performance and lead to further damage if not fixed. As you can notice, the symptoms of a rack and pinion leak are physical and can easily be seen or felt by you. For example, you might notice steering fluid leaks, difficulty steering, or unusual noises when turning the wheel. As the vehicle owner, it's important to stay alert to these signs and not ignore them, since a small issue can turn into something much bigger, like complete loss of steering function or more expensive repairs. It's also important to have regular checks to keep your vehicle running safely. We hope you find this video helpful, and if you're dealing with some other problems with your car, let us know by leaving a comment below, and we'll assist that next here on AutoFix Craft. Thanks for watching, subscribe.